dear one on now, Nemo.
Hey, mommy, how are you? Good, good. You good? Yes. In fact, the shop is now Limnos Street. I need 1 milk and then 2 Milo subjects. Yes, 2 Milo subjects. Hey, this is Anat.
Hey, teacher.
Yeah.
What's your name?
1 milk, 2 Milo subjects.
Are you alright? Oh. Milo subjects.
Yes. Milo subjects.
Milo subjects. Bro, for an answer.
Oh. 2 Milo subjects.
Milo subjects. Do you need it in Tree or English?
Okay, we don't have Milo subjects. All I'm talking about such
teacher.
Milo subject 2.
Teacher. Teacher. It's the flower natural, bro. And I want no papa, fear it, Timothy Brofu, come in Mrs. Tassano. Light back a cabbage anti. Light bill a cabbage antino. What real Brofu acquiring by Milo crampo, just open Milo subject. Teacher. Hey, Milo subject. And no be able to come with you. Say we are pushing, papa. When you know what's who be Milo subject. I had to Milo subject to her. What the Ujan Cramp and now child young. Milo subject, yes, subject to a store.
Mas the chain say, hey, me teach you. Me teach you. Say, sister, you want it.
Yo.
It's about first, oh, come. More like base, they say, come on, this side, I won't to find. It's the more I get the plan on and I'm
now what do you know? You swag you away yet. What an young couple when you took it. The obeying know them because I call Mrs. Tamani. Milo subject. When you know who was here. It's a class event out radio.
Hey, me come in, I can't talk.
What talk? When so you better like go and you never
This no, a bit dear, you miss. Sasona.